We're back with you from the arena in San Juan, otherwise dubbed as Volleyball Central, for this Saturday game between National U and DLSU. Second round. As the action gets more exciting, the talk gets more exciting also for our viewers. We'd like to thank everybody for really talking about volleyball, not just the teams and the individual players that alam namin paborito nyo, pero just talking about volleyball in general. Over the last week, Mosey, I'm getting a lot of messages from people that not that I have not heard of, but you don't expect to hear from in terms of the volleyball matches, and they're all asking about how to get tickets, where to get tickets, kailan yung susunod na mga larong ganito, ganyan.
Then the problem begins.
But it's a good problem.
It's a good, I was going to say, it's a good problem.
Ganda ng interest level talaga. And really the last 2 to 3 years we've been talking about it actually, Mosey, you and I, and we're seeing it. Na paakyat pa rin ang paakyat hanggang ngayon.
We're just too happy for volleyball. We were waiting for this moment, and ito na nga, finally here.
And for these girls to, you know, to be under the spotlight at this time of their lives, equivalent to their basketball counterparts. That's, you know.
Imagine that.
Yeah,
diba?
exactly.
Parang ang hirap isipin,
Exactly.
but there's a lot of followers now for volleyball. And yung iba naman dun basketball
Yes.
enthusiast rin. Kaya lang, yun ang nakaganda rin because it's not in the same sem.
Yep.
So, volleyball, muna season, tapos
Correct.
ay basketball and volleyball.
At kahit hindi po kayo nakakuha ng tickets at makakakuha man ng tickets kung malas-malasin, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood dito sa Studio 23. As we are at 9-all now. Santiago from the back row. Again,
You know,
off speed.
they've been trying to go for short hits, yung drop balls and off speed. These two squads, mukhang yun ang nasa game plan today, but the support is really there for both teams too. Oh, the net violation. It's NU.
Maranyo with a great serve. It's a good set by Perez. We're also seeing Perez in display here, able to adjust with her sets as they open up to Ordaz. Coverage was there from Santiago. That's another play that NU runs for Nepomuceno. Oh, Ordaz was not looking. Where was she looking? And look at Perez, you know, in her ear, telling her, have a little presence of mind. I don't.
Sayang kasi it was partially blocked.
Yes, exactly.
But you know, credit that point too to that save by Elisa Gohing. Ang layo nun.
Ordaz was already getting ready to reload without the ball yet. But this time she is checked by the #1 blocking team in the league.
And look at this. Ordaz is challenging the blockers of De La Salle.
5 of the best blockers are in this game right now from the 2 best blocking teams. That's one of them, Abigail Maranyo. 12 serving 9. Santiago finding an angle.
Great job. Mid-hit coming from Santiago and cross-court at that.
Hirap din.
Oh, napakahirap. So,
look at that angle.
kahit kung sa Gohing, hindi niya masyadong nabasa.
And that's coming from the back row.
Oh. Napatalikod na lang si Coach Francis.
You gotta settle down.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is what we were talking about dito. Individually, you see Ordaz, parang 3 straight mistakes. This is what we were talking about in yung immaturity, yung going out of that tailspin.
The ability to snap out of it right away.
To get back.
Pablo with a nice off-speed one, but even a better save by Gohing. Oh, look at that. Perez with a left-handed attack. This one rolls out. Nope, referee says no, check ball. It is a La Salle point.
I think that's a good call.
Yeah, I think so too. To the delight of the fans here.
Take a look at it once again. Malayo,
Yep,
it's quite far, and no touch at all.
I'm so happy that Perez is playing again
Yeah.
because this girl, especially when we watch her in person, may tapang to eh. May spunk itong babaeng to.
Always talaga. If you have a tall setter,
Oh,
that
yeah.
is such
That
a big
too.
advantage. And when you're up against, let's say, a Fajardo
Yeah.
or an Esperanza, yan eh, match na match,
And
kumbaga
she's-
sa basketball.
Correct. And she's very talkative on the floor too. You know, she's not one of those silent ones. Always tapping her teammates, always calling her teammates out. Remember, she's only a sophomore. Second playing year. For this girl who is on deck now, 11 serving 15. NU is down though.
And a lot of players in their sophomore year are really good in this batch. So you can just imagine the level where they're coming from 2 years from now,
Yep.
or even a year
Yep.
from now,
Yep.
even next year.
Now it is LaSalle's turn to get into the technical timeout first. They're in the lead by 5.